Okay, can I continue, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
So at this point here, we'll just edit some information here. So ideally, what you have here is something that takes the shape of a website address, like something like.
Oh, sir, your screen. Sir, sorry, sir. Your screen is still blank. We can't see anything.
So is it blank for every other person too?
I can see it here, sir.
Aha, so it is that particular person's network that's playing games.
All right, sir. We'll try it. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. Uh, okay, so I would come back here now. So here now, this guy here takes the form of a website, only that it's reversed. So for a typical website, you have something like www.google.com. So but in this case, you start with com, right? Then here would just be like a domain name. So you could name this anything. So let's just say Bowen project. Okay. Then the artifact ID. Let's call it authentication. Authentication system. So here we could just give it a description. So we could call it yeah, full authentication system. Okay, so here we are just choosing Java 17. So if you just installed Java, I think this year, probably you would have Java 17 or Java 20 or Java 21. So you are fine, yeah, you should be covered. So, but then if you want to be sure what version of Java you have, you can go to your command prompts. Then you just type a Java dash dash version. So you can see here it gives me that I have version 20 installed. So as long as you have Java installed, it should show you the version that you have. If it tells you that the Java command is not understood, then it means you don't have Java installed and you won't be able to code along with us. Okay, so if you are done with everything on this side here, we then need to move to this other side. So once again, if I'm too fast, call my attention. So on this side here, we need to add some dependencies. So you click on here, add dependencies, and then we need the number of dependencies. So here I need, okay, you can just type web. So then you choose Spring Web to build web, including RESTful applications using Spring MVC. So you click this, okay. Then the next one, another dependency I would need is Lombok. So you can see this Lombok here. So click on Lombok. You also need MySQL.
Sir, please can you slow down a bit?
Okay, okay, okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, please, I'm having a problem where you said you add dependencies where you choose web. Can you go back to it, sir?
Okay. So you just click on this button here, which is add dependencies. Click on it. Okay. And I mentioned that we need some dependencies. You type web. So you have to choose this Spring Web. Let me remove all the dependencies and do it again. add the dependencies.
Okay.
So the first one is web, which is this Spring Web here. This one in green. So click on it. I need Lombok. I need my SQL. Okay, then I would need JPA. So JPA,
Sorry, sir. Can you um just do a brief summary of how we are here? Because in a way we are lost due to network. I don't know understand where this.
okay,
I don't understand how we got to this whole thing. Basically, I just started class
okay.
because of
Let me
network.
drop this link again.
Okay, thank
Sorry,
you.
is everyone hearing?
Yes, we can hear you very well now, sir.
Okay. So check.
Network, right? I think network is affecting me also.
Wow.
Oh my god.
So click on that particular link. It will take you to this site here for called the Spring Initializer.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, I can hear you clearly here. Can you guys hear me now? I think someone's hand is raised here. Cornelius.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Okay, so basically you click on this link, it should bring you to this point here. Okay. And if you are just to follow this example here, you click on Maven here. Of course, the language is Java. Then the Spring Boot version
So we
is
are hearing
3.
you now.
Okay. Then the Spring Boot version is 3.1.5. Then you have to fill the project metadata here. Let me change my location. Perhaps you guys are hearing me a bit late. Okay, can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Okay. So
Yes,
if
sir, we
you
can
have
hear you.
if you have done everything here now, including your project metadata, you have to now proceed to your dependencies section. Okay, so from dependencies section here, you have to pick all of these dependencies here. So you might wonder why we are using dependencies. Instead of you to have to create all of these things from the scratch, you can actually get them bundled up in a project. So if you have done all of this, the next step is to click on generate. Okay, this generate would now download a project that you can now work with for you. So click generate. Okay, so you see that it downloads a zipped folder here. Okay, so if you check your downloads folder, you should find that project there. Downloads. So I want to extract everything inside this folder here. So extract all. So here is the project now that we are working with that has been extracted. So please let me know if you have followed up to this point.
Sir, Mr. Musa, I've not followed. I didn't follow anything.
Interesting.
So, are we to click on the developers tools at the dependencies, or is it only all the developers tools or everything that is under dependencies?
Everything. You have to add all these 4 dependencies here. Spring Web, Lombok,
But I'm not
MySQL
seeing
driver, and this.
my SQL driver.
It will be there. Just type MySQL.
Mr. Musa.
Yes.
Okay, sir, the dependencies we're talking about, so is it for the Spring initialize? Is MySQL you are actually installing?
No. It's different. Of course, you need to have MySQL installed on
Okay,
your
because
laptop first. It's not clear at all, right? How do you do this now? Let me do it again. I've removed all the dependencies again. This is what you are just to do. Click on Add Dependencies. Then you need at
sorry,
least
Mr.
4
Musa, are you
dependencies. Yeah, I didn't hear you.
sir, like, are you sharing
Yes, now I'm sharing my screen.
how we? Wow, I'm not actually seeing anything.
Ah, okay. How about the others? Can you guys see anything at all? Okay, somebody said extracted already.
I can see your screen, sir.
It's just you guys' network.
I can see screen.
Yeah, go back to the okay. This the Wi-Fi right here.
Yeah. Imagine you see you would like all good them. God talk say you go pick one of them. All everything. Hey,
The add dependency. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is not.
Okay, so let me add
You
dependencies now. You are adding web,
yes,
you are adding MySQL,
Okay, sir. Spring Web,
Spring Web.
my head still.
you are adding Lombok,
I'm not
and
seeing
then you are adding GPA.
anything.
I think check it on the it's on the screen now.
Spring Web, my
I'm
head
actually
still
seeing
long.
anything.
Let me drop those dependencies in the chat. You are adding web,
Okay, thank you, sir.
Lombok,
Web.
MySQL,
Lombok.
and then the last one is JPA.
Okay, my head.
I want something.
Okay, this is my SQL driver. Then what's the last one? Spring Data JP. Spring Data JP.
Yeah, Spring Data JPA, exactly. So you should have a project like this now.
Ah, finally. So that to generate now, sir.
Yes, generate.
Sir, I have not seen anything.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Shit, there's something he did to the project metadata. I'm sorry, sir. Can we see your screen for the project metadata? What?
Yeah, this is it now. You should be able to see it now. Yeah.
I can see it here, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, someone called me.
Can't see the project metadata yet, sir. It is blur because this screen data GPA.
No, it shouldn't be blood though.
On the screen. Yeah, it is popped on the screen.
You mean it's blood on my own screen or on your own screen?
There's like it's funny. So I think it's because you are in that Spring Data JPA. On your own screen. Yes, sir. We want to see the project metadata, what you typed there.
Yeah. Let me send the screenshots.
Yeah.
Is it not here?
This like to an administrative, authentication something.
Yeah.
White one.
Okay, the one you
Authentication
said.
system.
Okay, that'll be better, sir. Thank you, sir.
Guys, authentication system. Authentication system.
So it's going to send screenshot.
Okay? You can check the screenshots now.
Sir,
Yeah, okay.
Is it on the system?
Don't worry, I recorded the call. So. E.
Yeah, I sent it.
So we've seen it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So once that is done, you can just generate the projects.
Sorry, I'm not seeing anything.
Okay.
Let's
Interesting.
Whoa.
But I'm sure that some people can actually see my screen.
If you walk
yes, sir.
around, that's the speed. But the network here.
But sir, I can see from here. Oh.
You can see my screen, Abby.
I can also see.
Wi-Fi is not.
So it means the network challenge is not from my side.
You can't
It's from you guys'
networking
side.
on the network.
Yes, sir.
I'm not
yes, sir. We
I'm
can
not
see
seeing
your
anything at all.
If you've downloaded
Really, are you sure
projects,
you are?
Exactly. You can even join the chat from